Loud?
Yeah.
Where? Oh. How did the cow make?
Ma.
Goat? Then cat?
Meow meow.
Then cock? What did the cock say?
Con meow meow.
Oh. Then which fruit my child likes?
This fruit.
Which fruit?
The what?
Guava. Watermelon? Watermelon will be what color? What is the color of watermelon?
Lemon.
What color? Muskmelon. Yeah, muskmelon also I knew.
Tomato.
Juice you like. Okay, we'll make tomorrow.